name is Kristi Arpit, and today we are going to discuss about an experiment, what how to create an app with a login page. And if you log in, we have to and how to like change the background color of the app. So this is the main page layout. So this is the for the login page layout. Here we are using text view for giving the view and edit view for entering the input and everything. And we are declaring the button, and we are giving a checkbox like remember login, remember always. This is the checkbox code and this is the button code. So this is the layout of the login page. So this is the code for it. We are importing all the library functions. Then we are using hash map. Hash map is used to store the like different values and compare them. Like if we want to store the like username and password and we compare with the input one, we use hash map. So we take username and password, we declare a checkbox C, we input a checkbox C. Then we set shared preferences as static so that the settings won't change after that. Shared preference is like the framework or the settings that we define, so it does not change. So we set it as static. So we create a like bundle instance. Then layout main activity main we create to set content like for the login page. Then we take the username and password. Then we using map.put we give the username and password that we want to give. Then we see if find by id, we use it to find the data. Then we use load data to load it into the login page. So again we'll declare the shared preference here. Shared preference will get the string like username will get it, and username and password will get, and we'll convert it into text like username will be converted into text and password will be connected into text. So we'll convert it into like the username we'll set the text, we'll get it. Then we'll convert it into string, and if if we want to log in, if map contains key, like if the username contains key like which matches, then we get the password. And if password is also if it is checked, shared preferences will be like updated to, and we'll get this username and password and will commit. So it will be stored and it will enter. So like intent will be shifted like passed to the second intent main activity dot to xml. And if not, it will show as login failed, and it will so if else it will show as login failed. If the username and password does not match, it will show as login failed. So this is this is the second XML page. Here we can change stuff like we give the like the spinner view like for selecting the different colors which we want to change the background, and we give a logout button. And we this is the name that will come at the top. So this is the layout of the second page, and this is the colors like with the colors which we want to give are declared here. Like the colors which we selected are purple, green and orange. These are declared here. We can change the colors by changing the color from here and changing the name. So this is the code for the second one. So here we create a class, then we use spinner like spinner shared preference, will set it, and then we initiate a spinner checkbox. Then we create a super like bundle instance state. Then view will set the view to main activity 2. Then spinner will find by id. Then in spinner will get will assign sp equal to get shared preferences login, and we'll get the login. Then we'll set the text with the username. Then we'll print the username like hello, like it username will be printed in that corner with this system or print out. Then we'll create an array. In that array we add the different colors, like purple is added, green is added and orange is added. Then we'll get decor view is used to change the background, like set the background to the selected color. So this dot get window will get the window of the and get decor we will change the background order. And set color will select the color which we want to select from the spinner, and that color will be set to using view one dot set background color. So final array adapter, this will change array adapter is passed in this array adapter. The spinner list is passed, and the spinner list is used. So spinner dot set array is used. So here we'll like select the color here, and if nothing is selected it will be issued, and this will log out. This is used to give the logout button. So if we use the intent new application, we'll get the logout, and it will pass it to the stat activity. So this is the code. We'll see the output of the program. This is output. And this is the output. I'll give the username as Chris and Chris login. Sorry, I typed the password wrong. CHR. As you can see, so now it is coming, and I can change the color from here. So this is the output of the program. Thank you.